Calissa.
Oh.
They might try to bite me.
I'm scared.
Get a Calissa.
This is suspect number 1. Number 2. No, I'm playing.
Is there a screen on here? You put that screen back on here?
That window hasn't been open.
That one never came off. That screen never came off.
Dude. How is there a bird in our bathroom?
Mama got in somehow. On an accident. She was like, make sure y'all's windows are closed.
Aww. That thing up there is where I think it came from. That hole.
Is there a hole in our roof or something? I'm scared. What if he just flies in my face? Oh gosh. Oh.
Look him out. Look out. The door's right there. Look. Can I pet it?
See it? Is it on there?
Yeah, it's on. Don't let it.
Let's watch Tommy fly away. See, we fly far.